What's up, guys? Good morning. It's Wednesday, January the 18th, 2017. This is Captain 83 with a aircraft review. Midge HD has featured this aircraft from Gemini 200, and now I'm going to feature this aircraft myself. Let me give you a little background history. United Airlines was formed by Boeing Air Transport in 1926. Boeing itself was officially formed in 1916 by William Boeing, and their corporate headquarters is in Chicago, Illinois. And their main office is in Seattle, Washington. They have two facilities. They have Renton and they have Everett. Everett is the place for both the 777 and the 747 and the 787 Dreamliner. And Renton for both the 737, 757, 767, and the 717. Now, today, I'm going to feature United Airlines. United Airlines is employee-owned prior to after their forming by Boeing as Boeing Air Transport in 1925. United serves more destinations worldwide. Hubs that include Houston George H. Bush Intercontinental Airport in Houston, Texas, Chicago O'Hare, New York John F. Kennedy International Airport, Newark Liberty International, Washington Dulles in Virginia, Denver International Airport in Denver, Colorado, Los Angeles International Airport, San Francisco International Airport, with destinations to Sydney, Kingsford Smith International Airport, Auckland, New Zealand, Tokyo, Beijing, London, Paris, Frankfurt, Rome, Barcelona, Madrid, Lisbon, Sao Paulo, Tel Aviv, and we're released by some 150 destinations here in the States. Worldwide, that includes both Montreal, Canada, British Vancouver, and Toronto. Now, I'm going to give you a tour of the aircraft, starting with the stag ports and the PO tubes, and the cockpit window and windshield wipers. United Airlines is a member of Star Alliance. This is in the battleship gray. There you see the L1 door, the United Airlines tiles, and you got an escape cap. Well, you got an escape hatch for the pilots, and the four Pratt & Whitney CF6 turbofan engines come along the wings. This aircraft does not have a registration number. I'm sorry I won't be able to tell you about it. But I'm telling it to you right now. United Airlines old livery, the tulip livery. Now I'm going to take you to the APU and the horizontal stabilizers. And now on to the port and starboard side of the aircraft. United's old livery. And come on. The aircraft. The 4 CF6 turbofan engines. The United Airlines tiles. And that's it. This aircraft right here, its current status, it still flies for United, but it's not in this livery. It's in the United Post-Continental merger livery back in 2010. But United Airlines has retired most of their 747-422s, and some of them are in storage at Victorville in California and Las Vegas McCarran, which they have both DC-10s and 747s. I'll give you one shot right there, and another shot right there. United is due to retire the 747-422 and replace it with the Boeing 777-300, which is due to enter into service by of next year. So that's it for this aircraft review video. I just would like to say thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my other videos, please leave a comment, and like always, like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you around.